How to change your password on Pinterest. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Pinterest password on the app. So first thing we do is we go to Pinterest. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you click on your profile here down below, and after that click on the top corner on the three dots, and after that you click on settings, and now go to account management, and here you will find password, and you click change password, and here the first option you should write your current password, and after that click your new password and confirm it here, and after all that click done, and it must be changed. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.